Here, I'm announcing the third batch. 2 batches are already completed. Already completed means those are full, those are running full-fledged. Now, the third batch will be starting from 10th of July 25 and that will continue to 28th of February. It takes that much of time minimum. Lecture timing 8:30 to 10 p.m. late evening. And the mode is through the Zoom. On which days lectures are conducted? Monday to Friday. Right. Monday to Friday, 5 days a week, there are going to be live lectures. And after the lecture, we have a practice of MCQs. Daily MCQ practices, a multiple choice question on daily basis. Daily, after the live class for half an hour. And every Sunday, we have a test. This is our pattern of coaching. Once again, starting on 10th of July 25, up to 20th February 26, lecture timing 8:30 to 10 p.m. through the Zoom, Monday to Friday. After the class, there is MCQ practice. Every Sunday, there is a formal test. Okay. Now, what we are going to cover in this batch? Now, on the left side, we have said allied laws, and the right side, we have said customs laws. And the weightage in the exam is 50-50. 50% for the allied laws, 50% for the customs laws. Right? In allied laws, we have the Foreign Exchange Management Act, the Central Excise Act, the Indian Explosives Act, the Arms Act, the Narcotic Drugs and Destructive Insects, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances, then Destructive Insects, then Dangerous Drugs, Drugs and Cosmetics, Environment Protection, Food Safety, Prevention and Corruption. This I'm going to cover in schedule number 3, or rather in batch number 3. Whatever we have already completed in batch 1 and batch 2, for that you can certainly subscribe for the videos. And in the remaining 50% is this, the Customs Act, along with the rules and regulation, notifications, clarifications, plus the Custom Tariff Act, the Foreign Trade Policy and the Foreign Trade Policy, Foreign Trade Development Regulation Act and the Foreign Trade Policy. This is the syllabus. Right. Whatever is not included here, that has already been completed. Now, for allied laws, we are going to cover up in 50 plus lectures in next 3 months, starting from 10th July. Okay. So August, July, August, September. And thereafter 125 plus lectures during next 5 months, that is only in relation to customs laws. And when we are conducting daily MCQ practice as well as weekly test, we will put you through not less than 7,500 MCQs. In the exam, there are going to be 150 only, but we'll give you so many MCQs for practice. And the total coaching duration is 500 plus hours. This is the best part. 500 plus hours. There are people in the market, those who say that we'll complete the entire syllabus in 50 hours. We will say complete the syllabus in 100 hours. Don't be fooled by them. Don't be fooled. 50 hours or 100 hours, this syllabus, you can't even read in those 100 hours. Forget understanding. Forget revision. Can't even read in 100 hours this much of syllabus. So don't be fooled by that. Right? Total duration required is 500 plus hours. Now for this program, we have 3 options. You can choose according to your comfort, what you will prefer. We have option 1, option 2, and option 3. In option number 3, you get study material plus video recording of the live lectures only. And this is the most economical. Most economical is option number 3. Right. Study material we will give you. So study material in all 3 options will remain same. Whether it is option 1 or 2 or 3, study material will be same for all. Then next one comes live class. Live class is available only in option number 1. It is not there in option 2. It is not there in option number 3. Then video recording is common in all 3 modes. Daily MCQ practice is there and only in option 1 and option 2. It is not there in option number 3. Sunday test is there in option number 2 and option number 1 and option number 2. It is not in option number 3. Doubt solving is also an option number 1 and option number 2. Okay. So now it is up to you how much time you want to invest. What is your choice? You can opt any of these three, either option 1 or 2 or 3. So option 1 is the master's batch. My experience in last 30 years tells me that the best results are in option 1. Best results. If you go for option number 3, you have to follow a strict discipline of completing the syllabus. Because I don't know, you have subscribed for the recorded video, what you're doing or what you're not doing. I'll never get to know unless you come back to me. In option number 2, at least some test is being conducted. I'm aware of that, what kind of your performance is in the daily test. In option number 1, we meet on day-to-day basis. And I keep on asking questions continuously from them. So that's why the results are the best in option number 1. So friends, please take the note of number 8080420612. If you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to call on this. Otherwise, simply drop a message, preferably on WhatsApp. And it is our responsibility, our means me and my team, to revert to you on your queries. And don't wait. Earlier you join, more advantage you get. So with this, I will end this video, and number is already displayed here. Any question coming into your mind, please don't hesitate to call. I will talk to you on one-to-one level. Thank you very much.